Okay, we can treat some equations as quadratic if they have that kind of pattern to them. And also we need to make a suitable substitution. So look at this one. X to the fourth minus 5x squared plus 4. Okay, so it's not an x squared, it's an x fourth one. Now, if I let, here we go, u equal x squared, okay? So I'm going to replace the x squared with a u. And I'm actually going to point to that middle term, okay? I'm replacing the x squared with a u, okay? So 5x squared becomes 5u. X to the fourth becomes u squared. Again, look at this. Because x to the fourth is x squared. Squared, and x squared is now the letter u. Now this becomes just looks like a regular quadratic. Let's have a look at this one. Okay. So here it is. So again, I'm going to replace the x squared, and look at the pattern, the one in the middle, with a u. Okay, so I end up with this. Okay, so again, remember x squared, squared is x to the fourth, so u squared, and that's what we're starting with. Okay, this will factor into u minus 1, u minus 4. So we'll get solutions of u equals 1 and u equals 4. But remember, u is x squared, so I now put the x squared back in. This is what we have. Okay, so if I square root both sides, I get plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2. I've got 4 answers because it is an x4. All right, and again, look at this. X-intercept, 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 x-intercept. If I stuck this equation into the graphing calculator. Okay, let's have a look at another one. Substitution again. Now again, remember, look at this. The middle term is an x squared, and that's why I let u equal. Here, the middle term is a t to the 1/3. That's what I let u equal. All right. So now I have this. Okay. Again, these will turn into quadratics. You know, just imagine this is x squared minus 2x. I'm just looking at the coefficients. Minus 3 equals 0. Okay. Also look at this pattern. Okay. Remember, when we do this, this exponent is twice this. Look over here. This exponent was twice this. Again, this one. This exponent is twice this. Okay? So, little patterns. If I let u equal t to the 1/3, I'm going to get this. Okay? When it factors, I get u plus 1, u minus 3, so u equals negative 1, u equals 3. But again, u is t to the 1/3, so it's t to the 1/3 equals negative 1, t to the 1/3 equals 3. Remember what 1/3 is, an exponent, you've cube rooted, so I cube both sides. Here it is. If I cube a negative 1, I'll still get negative 1. If I cube a 3, I'll get 27, and there's your two answers. But do remember this, that this kind of has to work. Let's have a look. When this exponent is twice that exponent, okay, again, same for this one, this exponent, twice that exponent, regular ones, this exponent, twice that exponent, and we replace the middle term there, so that t to the 1/3 with a u. Here, I would replace the x squared with a u. Okay, and there's little patterns if you can kind of follow that.